Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial today will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called Z1n. Z1n is a ransomware that may damage the files. My video, though, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will give you the demonstration of how damaging this ransomware is. I cannot help you recover your files, but I will give you some links that will help you to do that. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Z1n ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. As you see, they try to open this specific file, and this is the message that they get, indicating that Windows can't open this type of file. The same applies to all other files. They are no longer accessible. And this is the ransom note that the ransomware reveals, indicating that all your files have been encrypted. So do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. There is no guarantee that your files will be restored if you pay the ransom. Please consider my second part of the video, which will give you more information on how to remove this particular ransomware from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, three scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these two scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.